The RestorFX Paintless Clearcoat Repair paint restoration service is a professionally applied chemical process that works to reactivate, rejuvenate, and permanently restore the original factory finish of a vehicle. The system permanently removes 99% of damage, such as scratches, scuffs, fading, and road rash within the automotive clear coat to restore it to a like-new condition without repainting. With minimal cost and all within 24 hours. It's time to push the reset button on your vehicle's paint finish.